Hi everyone, welcome to Haptic Platform Training Module. Today we will talk about video entity. Entities help us to store information shared by the user on a chatbot, and that information can be of any type ranging from text as words, numbers, regular expressions, or rich media like images, documents, or even videos. Attachment entity is used for rich media information. So let us quickly create one for accepting videos from users. This is the entity read prompt. And I choose the type as attachment. And I go to the attachment tab to choose the type as video. I'll click on save. Now that my entity is ready, I would click on add to bot says. I can also provide my entity says over here and click on save. After you have created the entity in the flow, don't forget to enable the settings under Business Manager. You would need to enable this toggle on your business to start accepting videos on your bot. Once this is done, your bot is ready to accept videos uploaded by the user. One thing to note here is this video entity can be used only for WhatsApp bots, as only WhatsApp gives us an option to upload videos in the chat screen. That gets us to the end of the video. Thanks for watching.